Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. I really hope you will enjoy what you see and decide to stick around and click that subscribe button to join my YouTube family. Today's video is another cleaning and organizing video, and this time we're talking my office desk organization. I'm super excited about this because so far I did not really have space where I can work on. I was using my husband's office desk, and I'm so excited to have my own. If you're familiar with my channel, you know that a few months ago, I think 3 months ago, we moved into a new house and we were not sure if we're going to have an actual office or not. But with moving things around, we're actually decided that this room over here is going to be our office. So I also didn't have an office desk, and I'm going to explain everything while I show you how I ended up getting one. And before we start, I wanted to mention this video is in collaboration with another mama here on YouTube. Her name is Brianna. She is a mother of 2 little kids, and her channel is full of cleaning videos, vlogs, anything motherhood. And also you guys need to check it out because she is a musician and she has a wonderful voice. I love watching her videos and just listen to her music. It is amazing.
Hi everyone, my name is Brianna, aka Briham. I post a lot of cleaning videos, vlogs, and music content. So if you like any of those things, please consider checking out my channel, and I'll see you there.
If you're coming for her channel, thank you so much for taking your time to stop by. Welcome, and I really hope you will enjoy what you see and decide to subscribe. I got my coffee, and I think we're gonna get started, and I'm gonna walk you through all this, and I really hope you will enjoy. And if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and let's get started. Okay, so this beauty over here is my current office desk. This beautiful mess over here is what I'm working with, and I know it looks non-traditional because it has mirror, but this was actually in my previous house my beauty table. And in this house we really don't have much space in our bedroom to put it, and since I have that beautiful vanity in my bathroom, that's what I'm using for my makeup and everyday get ready. So I don't need this actually, and let me show you. So this was actually the desk that I got for my husband and my son for my birthday, and it was white, and I repainted it black. This beautiful mirror was actually I got it on a yard sale, and it was $3 I think, and we just attached it and right here, and now it was my beauty desk. And let me show you. So this over here was where my makeup was and some of my jewelry. Now, as you can tell, my daughter got into this and made a huge mess. But all these I'm gonna take out. That's gonna go to my bathroom vanity, and I'm gonna clean this out, organize it nicely, and hopefully make this desk beautiful and office friendly. I am starting by taking everything off of the desk and taking everything out of the drawer.
Got a restless mind, and now I won't let go. So let us be crazy before we are cold. You can take us out, your doubts won't hold us down, 'cause we're gonna light up the sky where we go. Oh, do you want?
After cleaning the drawer, I am putting down the contact paper, This is the pattern that I have all throughout the house to protect the drawer and to make it look nice.
Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it live. And tomorrow's far away. Should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something.
These organizers are actually from Melissa and Doug stamp sets, and I reused them and put a contact paper on the bottom, and they will fit perfectly in my drawer. I have a bunch of them throughout my house and in many drawers. Now these two office supplies I actually got on two different occasions. They were 99 cents each, and the funny thing is they actually kind of match because they both have a gold accent to it. As you could see over here, I reused the bottom of one of those organizers. I just like to reuse things. If the boxes are sturdy and if they fit perfectly in my drawer, I will use them. I'm not going to throw them away or go out and buy some expensive organizers if I can use something that I already have at home or repurpose it.
Fun and live it live. And tomorrow's far away. Should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something. Let it snow tonight. Give me all that you got. Don't hold back, baby, hold me tight.
This cute calendar I actually got from Target Dollar Spot, and it was only $3, and I really thought it's gonna fit perfectly in on my desk. It has that green color that I love and also has a gold accent to it, and I don't really prefer gold, but for some reason somehow a bunch of things that I got for office ended up having gold in it, and I really don't mind. The saying on this picture is absolutely perfect. I love it. It says, if you have everything under control, you are not moving fast enough. That is kind of my mantra, and I absolutely love it.
Time to grow up. Now I'm ready for love. Now I'm ready for love. Now I'm ready.
This little area next to my desk, it just holds some books and some important papers and folders. I don't necessarily love this area, but it's gonna work for now. Eventually I'm gonna switch it out and get something else, or I will repaint that bottom little cabinet. I'm not sure, but it's good for now.
Never had love like this before. And I've been searching for somebody like you all my life. All my life. Yeah,
And my work is done over here for now. I am very pleased how everything turned out. Everything is clean and neat, just the way I like it, and everything has its space. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope I gave you motivation to clean and organize something in your home. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also check out Brianna's channel as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.